Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix keyboard lagging issue on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first of all, you have fixed this problem. So you have restart your iPhone. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restart. If there are, your problem will be fixed. If there are, the first solution is not working, their second solution, you have reset the keyboard dictionary. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general. So then you have click on transfer or reset, scroll up, then you have click on reset keyboard dictionary. So you have click here and then iPhone given a passcode and then you have taken a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset keyboard dictionary. Then third solution, you have disable predictive keyboard. So you have again open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on keyboard, scroll up, then you have seen English and German. So then you have fourth option predictive. So you have disable from here. Then uh, other solution, you have close other app in background. So then you have while using keyboard facing this problem, so then you have used the 4 or 5 apps then background. So then you have removed from here and then you have while using, if he is proper working on your iPhone, working or not working on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on iPhone. So you have again open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be update on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.